Having one of the best car phone holders can make your driving a lot easier because using your smartphone with your bare hand can cause road accidents by interrupting your focus. In that case, a smartphone holder allows you to use navigation, receive calls, and more to ensure less distraction while driving. But not all smartphone holders are equally effective. Some holders work better with certain cars and phones than others. This is why we came up with the two best cup phone holders. One is the Andobil car cup holder phone mount and the other one is WeatherTech CupFone. In today's video, we tested these two products from every possible aspect to find out their pros and cons. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The Andobil car cup holder phone mount can easily be installed in almost all sorts of car cup holders, all thanks to its 3 protruding extension structures and anti-slip silicone. It comes with an extra strong anti-shake gooseneck, which is made from aluminum to give you a stable view of your phone while driving. Besides, this flexible gooseneck can be adjusted from 7 to 13 inches, so you can adjust the height of your needs to get the best driving perspective. On the other hand, the WeatherTech CupFone is a more innovative cup holder phone mount because of its 5 interchangeable base cups. This feature allows it to be more compatible with a wide range of car cup holders, which is also pretty easy to install, since you just have to choose the right cup size. However, it does not include height adjustability, but if you want one, you have to pay something extra. To hold your phone firmly, the Andobil car cup holder phone mount comes with 2 rubber padded sidearms and an adjustable foot, where you can mount any size phone along with the case in it. Simply press the release button to expand the phone holder and press sidearms to lock your phone. Additionally, the top of the pole supports 360 degrees rotation to adjust your viewing angle the way you like. On the other hand, the WeatherTech CupFone does not allow you to rotate your smartphone to adjust the vertical or horizontal angle, but the base lets you rotate your phone 360 degrees for viewing from any seat position. However, it is made from ABS plastic, which makes it lightweight but not durable enough to hold your phone strongly. And most importantly, the CupFone comes with a separator tool, which can help you separate the cups, but you can even use a hand to separate them. All being said, for us, the Andobil car cup holder phone mount looks more durable and versatile than the WeatherTech CupFone. Although both offer a wide range of compatibility to use with almost any car and smartphone, but the Andobil car cup holder phone mount is well designed to hold your smartphone firmly and gives you more possibilities while driving. So, what do you think? Which one seems better for you? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.